Discovering China's shared bikes is definitely a smart choice. To be honest, China is too big for legs and feet. If you want to travel more easily and efficiently, get closer to nature, and have a deeper experience of the locals' daily life, then come with me. I'll guide you to quickly master the use of shared bikes. Here we go. China has a vast network of bike sharing services. You can find these shared bikes in most Chinese cities. There are mainly two types, regular bikes and electric bikes. For regular bikes, you might pay around 1 to 2 yuan per half hour. Electric bikes usually cost a bit more, perhaps 2 to 3 yuan per half hour. Most bikes support payment and unlocking directly with Alipay or WeChat Pay. Alright, now let's find one, and I'll show you the process step by step. Let's go.
Okay, first we open the bike sharing app. Here it is, and then click Ride. Let's see the map. The map will show you the location of available bikes nearby. If you don't want to download the official app, you can just open the Alipay or WeChat, find the transport and click it, then select the bag. You can use the map to find the bag in the same way. Here we can see there are 3 bags nearby. I think we can choose this one, which is just 99 meters away from us. Let's go. Okay, here it is. Here you are. Let's try to lock it. Wait for me. Alright. Okay, here we have a regular bike. We're gonna try to unlock it. On the app, click Scan to Unlock button. Then you can scan the QR code on the back. Generally, there are 2 added QR codes on the back. One in the front, and the other behind the seat. If both QR codes are damaged, you can manually enter the back number. Here you can see it. Let's write 9020388025. Yeah, it's here. You can see it. Type number to unlock. Okay, let's scan the QR code. Oh, it's, yeah, come on. Okay, we confirm it. Okay, hello. It's unlocked. Now we adjust the seat to a suitable height. It's okay. Now let's get started with cycling.
Yeah, it's Tangshan City. This is Tangshan Railway Station. Here is an electric charge station here. Okay, now we've arrived at the destination. We have to find a parking area nearby. Let's take a look at the app interface. Let's see which direction the parking area is in. Okay, I see that the nearby parking area is a few hundred meters away. It's actually 690 meters away. That's right there. All right, we are here. Okay, now we are at the parking area. We put the bag into the parking area. Then on the app, click the lock button. Okay, bag is successfully locked. Well, it shows that this ride cost me 3 yuan, but since I'm a monthly continuous subscriber, the actual payment is 0 yuan. You can see that. A monthly continuous subscription plan is to pay 8.9 yuan per month. and I can ride limited times, and each ride within 2 hours is free. Yeah, here are the electric bikes. The way of using an electric bike is not much different from that of a regular bike. Let's find an electric bike and go through the process quickly.
Hello.
All right.
佩戴头盔后方可骑行。
All right. Okay, we've arrived. Parking area. Let's try to lock it. Okay, can we click? I want to return the bag on the app. Click the button. And wow, it failed. Let's adjust the hat. Take it out and put it in again. Then we try it again. Okay, we locked it successfully. It cost me 2 yuan. All right, we need to pay it. Right. We paid successfully. Okay, now let's talk about the precautions. 1. The bike companies ask you to park the bags in specific areas. If you are going to the edge of the city, check on the app first to see if there's the parking spot nearby. 2. In various cities in China, there are often several different shared bike brands at the same time. Each brand has its own app, but usually you can just use WeChat or Alipay to unlock the bags without downloading the brand's app. 3. Bags from different companies are different colors. At the parking area, the color of the bag should match the color of the parking spot. You can't park a bag of one brand in the parking spot of another brand that had a different color. Who wrote that script? That sentence is simply a tongue twister for me. 4. When you park an electric bike, you might need to face the front of the bike in the right direction. If you park it facing the wrong way, you may not be able to lock it. All right, now you know how to use bike sharing. Have a great time exploring this amazing country on 2 wheels. And one more thing, feel free to ask me if you have any question about China. See you next time. Bye bye. See this park. Here is high-speed railway line. This is a nice park. Let's see that peach floor. Peach floor? I don't know how to say it. Spring is coming in northern China. The park will be more beautiful several days later. Let's go to find one sharing bike.